Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, great weekend last week, full of events. 5 events last weekend. Wow, we just had a big blowout. Super attendance up at the Cars and Coffee in Lakeland. Thanks, Kyle, taking that on. And then we came down on Sunday. I know we had another event up in Jacksonville. And then, oh heavens to mercy, we had one great event up at the up in Ocala at the Equestrian Center at the polo match, actually, with Mary Beth and that group. So that was a huge blow up. And then on Sunday, we also had Cars and Coffee down in Naples. That was great. I made a huge mistake. It's not the last one of the year. It was the last one with that particular chef, but we're having one next month with a different chef. So plan to come to Naples for Cars and Coffee on the second Sunday. Big show. We racked up 5 big winners. You saw, if you're out on the Facebook, I've got it posted. Everybody's out there. So just congratulations to all those winners. And then this coming weekend, we have Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. For some reason, I didn't get it on the calendar quick enough, but I want to remind everybody, come out to Fort Myers this weekend, and let's do that Cars and Coffee thing. I'll be there. Everybody else will be there. Come on out and have some fun. The 19th, we have Beamers and Dinner in Panama City with Chris and Margaret Schroeder. So if you're up in that neck of the woods, dinner and Beamers and Dinner on the 19th. On the April 2nd, St. Pete and Clearwater, Jeff's group over there, they're out at a new location, so check it out on the calendar. April the 6th, we're back at the BMW Sarasota in the morning, and we're going back to Heidi's house for the annual gathering picnic on the afternoon of April 6th. So go to the Cars and Coffee Sarasota in the morning. We'll go to Heidi's house in the afternoon. Maximum 50, so you got to RSVP, but get on that list because that is going to be a blast. It was last year, and she just rolls out the carpet for us. So get on those RSVPs. Punta Gorda on the 7th, Sunday the 7th, is Punta Gorda Port Charlotte breakfast with John Schneider and with the Z group with Irwin and all those guys. And then don't forget to RSVP. We're going back to Revs on the 12th of April. Get your RSVP in. Just saw some statistics. I think it was noted as the top car museum in the state of Florida, and is the top 5 car museum in the world. That's a pretty big world right there. So we're going to go see Revs again on the April the 12th. Hey, we're heading to the Mix. The MIX is in April, and I forget what the dates are. I forget, around the 18th, I believe. But hey, we're heading up to the Mix. And so if you're planning on doing that, how about dropping me an email on info or president at FSCBMWCCA.com. Gotta love it. And drop me a note that you're going. So if we can corral up. I think we're leaving on that Thursday to go up to Mix and up in Greer, South Carolina. So we should have a blast. Several folks are already signed up for it. I think I'm signing up. I'm going to be up there. So let's see if we want to drive up together, at least meet together, or stay at the same place. We got hotel information for you. So give us a shot there, and we'll do that. A lot going on, as always. We're coming out of the gate hot this year. So lots of events. Take advantage of them. Welcome to all of our new members. If you're not on the Facebook account, it's a members-only account. Jump on there. Florida Suncoast members only, CCA members only. Get into that thing. We don't do any advertising, no messes like that. So you can get in there and be hassle-free, if you will, and just get to meet a bunch of folks. So to all our new members on Facebook, we say hello there as well. So until then, we'll see you next time. As we say, happy motoring, y'all. Bye now.